Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML CSS tutorial for beginners to advanced level. And right now, we'll be discussing about something new again. We'll be discussing about CSS layout, the display property. The display property is very useful, and the visibility property. We have a lot to talk about on this topic, but I want you to notice one thing. I will be discussing about the display property, block level elements. We'll be discussing about the inline elements also. I'll be discussing about the display property of none and how to override the default display value, and also I'll be discussing about different ways you can use the display or the visibility property. So we are just going to cover this display property, and also I'm just going to cover the visibility property in this chapter. So I want you guys to please be active and stay attentive, because all these you are going to find a lot of useful stuff in here. So firstly, let's continue. The display property is the most important CSS property for controlling layout. So the display property is very useful in many ways. You can use it to hide elements, you can use it to reset elements, you can use it to override a lot of ways the element looks. So I'm going to be exploring it more better. Please, I want us to stay focused and stay put. Let's meet in another tutorial. Anwar akorede is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Thank you.